Click on the Start menu and open Settings. In Settings, select Privacy and Security. Select Windows Security. Click on Open Windows Security. In here, click on this menu to visible these settings. Here, select App and Browser Control. In here, come to this Reputation-Based Protection section. Tap on Reputation-Based Protection Settings. In here, disable Check Apps and Files. Disable SmartScreen for Microsoft Edge. Disable Phishing Protection. Also, disable SmartScreen for Microsoft Store apps. Disable all of these options from here, and that's how you can actually do it.